I don't really know if I can do this as a review since I didn't do it the whole time, but there's these different ways of making your own rack, stomach wrap, or, you know, making your own wrap on your body. You know, it's supposed to like tone it, or I don't even really know what it's supposed to do. One way of doing it is putting coconut oil on your stomach and then wrapping it really tight with plastic wrap. And I wrapped it really tight. Put coconut oil all over the front part of my stomach and put plastic wrap around it, and then put on even something like a, I don't know what they're called, but you know, something even tighter around that. And you're supposed to sleep in it and then take it off in the morning. I didn't get through the night because it was so itchy on my stomach. I have no idea why. Because I see before and after results of people doing these homemade wraps. Like, I know there are those at work wrap things, which I have tried, and they did not work for me personally. So I decided to try one of my own, and I should have just maybe dealt with the itchiness or something. But I couldn't deal with the itchiness. I had to take it off me once it hit like 11 at night last night, or 2 nights ago, whenever it was. So I only had it on for about 3 hours. I mean, the coconut oil, after I took it off and it wasn't tight anymore, the coconut oil was kind of nice feeling once I rubbed it all around. Because it was like, you know, it's still on there when you take it off. So I just rubbed it into my body. Let me know if you've done that specific way of making your own wrap before. And if it worked. I know it does work for a lot of people, seeing some before and after pictures. And not all pictures are real. I understand this, but for some people, they do work. So let me know. And I'm going to bed.